The very first thing I'm going to do is establish the length slash outline on both the right side and the left side. So as you can see, I am combing the hair straight down, and I'm either cutting the hair through my fingers or through the comb to just basically make sure that I'm even on both the right side and the left side before I execute the layering or the graduation in this haircut. So just making sure that I'm even on both sides, cleaning up the outline, and here I go taking the very first section to create the layers that's going to give the hair more volume. It's going to make it more lighter. So as you can see, I'm taking sections, working my way towards the front of the hairline, which is basically going closer to the face. And I'm taking each section, over directing it back so that I can keep the length on the front of the hair. Now, I'm taking sections behind the ear, working my way back to the center back. So I'm layering now the back side, I should say the right back side. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side, and I'm going to meet in the middle back, but for now I'm just working my way all the way to the center back. Alright, so now it is time to do the layers on the left side of the head. As you can see, I'm combing the hair straight out, and I'm creating that first layer. I'm working my way towards the front of the hairline, which again is going closer to the face to establish the layers on the left side. And then once I've completed the side, then that's when I start working on the layers from the ear back. So as you can see, I'm now behind the ear, combing the hair straight out, over directing to the previous section. The previous section, again, is always going to be your guide for the current section that you're working on. So, as you can see, I'm working my way around the back of the head to get to the center back, where I will then connect and meet up with the layers that I already cut on the right side. So it is now time to cut in the graduation in the back. So as you can see, I'm taking diagonal sections, and I'm basically taking sections from behind the ear, angling my fingers in an angle so that it gets tighter, shorter, and closer as I get down to the neckline. So the hair's a little bit longer behind the ear, but then as I angle in towards the neck, the hair gets shorter and shorter, creating that graduation. Now I'm doing the graduation right now on the left side. After that, I will do the graduation on the right side. Alright, so you can see I am now cutting the graduation on the right side. But I'm going to work my way to the center back of the head, where I will meet with the sections that I've already cut on the left side. So now that I've cut the graduation as short as my fingers can go, I'm going to utilize the scissor over comb technique so I can take the graduation even tighter from here on out. So, as you can see, I'm just going to work my way around the head using scissor over comb to establish a tighter graduation right there in the neckline, working my way up towards the center of the head. Alright, so now it is time to cut the bangs slash fringe, which I'm going to do. I'm just going to take the length up a little bit shorter, just so they don't come down into her eyes. Alright, so I am now just going through and slicing out some hair on the top, just to give the top a little bit of texture, just to make it a little bit more fun on top in the event my client wanted to wear it a little bit messy looking. They could definitely put some product in the top that's going to give it some texture, or if they want, they could definitely wear it smooth. But by putting in the texture, by slicing through the hair, you give your client that option to basically do one or the other. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video, and if you guys like this haircut, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.